Hello guys, welcome back to Home by 9. If you saw our previous video, then you got to see what the house looked like before we started moving in, or before we did any of the renovations that we plan on doing. In this video, you're going to see us prep and paint the house, which is what we mainly did before we moved in. You're also going to see all of our little helpers walking around being very helpful, as you can see. By the time this video goes up, we have already moved into the new house. Now, of course, all the things that we want to fix and do are not done at this point, but the house is in a livable state, so we don't mind waiting a little bit. Now, for the title of this video, honestly, it was a coincidence. I knew that I wanted to paint green accent walls, but once we came back from getting Starbucks and donuts, honestly, looking at the cup, the red and the white literally is what we were painting our house. There's my sister realizing that. So yes, the title's a little bit clickbaity, but it made us laugh. We honestly drink a lot of Starbucks, so maybe it was, I don't know, subconsciously. This is what the house looks like now after we've done some of the painting. I painted the front door black, and I think in this room, being that everything is white, gives this room some dimension now. The entire dining room got painted white, and as you saw in the previous clips, I did do an accent wall. I really like this green. Depending on the time of day, it'll look either darker or lighter, greener or bluer. I really like it in combination with our plants. I think it works together. Now for the kitchen, we kept it simple. We did a coat of white paint on all of the walls, and it honestly makes the kitchen look a lot bigger than what it is. We also finally got a fridge in. I'm really liking this fridge. These light fixtures will get changed to something more like this. Yeah, this will go there. And excuse the mess, we're still kind of moving in, so these back doors leading into the sunroom also got painted that dark gray, almost black, to match the front door, and I really like it. fireplace got a coat of white paint, and it honestly makes it look a lot more modern than it did before with the red brick. The living room also got an accent wall. It's the same color that's in the dining room, and I'm really liking it here. It makes the room a lot bigger and it gives it some dimension, so we're really liking that. Alright guys, hopefully you like that little tour of what the house looks like right now. Of course, we're not 100% done painting all the rooms, but for now it'll have to do. We want to move in, so I think we're gonna we want to move in soon, so we're gonna just pause things for now, and then we'll just pick up projects here and there. I'm really happy about this process so far. I think what we have done, like painting everything white and then adding like the green accents throughout the house, has made the house look so much better. Oh, hopefully our neighbors don't hear me. I think I heard one of them come out. I've been missing something creatively in my life. Like I like to believe that I'm a creative person, and lately, I don't know, I've been like just needing that side of me to just like come back out. And it's cool that we now have this huge project that we're all going to be working on. I wanted to start a channel before at the last place that we were at, as we were moving in and like decorating and painting and all that, but for some reason it just didn't feel right, and now it does, so I'm gonna go with it. So stick around, even if it's just for my dogs. I know we have a lot of dogs, so I wouldn't mind if you guys just stuck around to see them. Later on, we'll do a video about them, just so you guys can meet the dogs, and I don't know, hopefully you guys get to know them a little bit better. But if you like what we're doing here, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna put our Instagram handle somewhere around here so you guys can follow if you would like. Yeah, I'm really excited. If you stick around, our next video, it actually just filmed a couple parts to it, but I don't know, this house might be haunted. We keep hearing noises, and I don't know, you have to stick around to the next video. Hopefully I also get less awkward as we go through all these videos, but we'll see about that.